Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix missing VCRUNTIME140.dll error here in Windows 10 or 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up your favorite browser. Now go ahead and type down dll-files.com/VCRuntime140.dll.html. Alright, again, dll-files.com/VCRuntime140.dll.html. Alright, once done, just hit on enter, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you just gotta scroll down, all the way down until you find both 32 and 64. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead and download 32 first, then 64 later. Okay, so download 32, right click on it and open up in a new tab, like so. Scroll down, wait for it. Now save it wherever you want. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Alright, it's now downloaded. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you right here. This is the 32-bit version. So just right click on it and just hit on extract. Okay. These files will show. Just click on VCRuntime140.dll, right click, hit on cut. Now go ahead and open up File Explorer. Find the drive where your OS is installed. As you can see here, mine is set to C, which is by default is set to C. Double click on it, double click on Windows. Now go ahead and find a System 32 folder. Right here, double click on it, right click on a blank space, and just hit on paste. Alright, in here, just click on replace the file in the destination. Just hit on continue, and once done, just minimize this folder. Okay, now delete these files. Now once done, go ahead and go back to your browser, close this one, find 64-bit, download it, like so, wait for it again, save it on your desktop or wherever you want. Once that's done, just close the browser. Here we have the RAR file, right click, extract, just basically do the same. Here we have the files. Now let's go ahead and cut or copy the DLL file. Go back to File Explorer. Right here, as you can see, we are under System 32, right? Just click on Windows right here. Scroll down and find syswow64. Double click, right click, paste, replace, and continue. All right. And there you have it. That is how you fix missing VCRuntime140.dll error on Windows 10 or 11. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.